Hi, and welcome to Unit 2, Film Analysis. Now, I know it's probably not what you're thinking of when you think of, literature and things like that, but I always thought that film and screenwriting kind of go hand in hand with storytelling, especially when we think of archetype stories like the hero's journey, which I know a lot of us really like. How do I know that? Because a lot of movies follow the hero's journey. um, Movies touch us in certain ways that it makes us emotional, it makes us remember things, just like literature. So you can get a message from a film the same way that you can get a message from a piece of literature, like a movie or a book or a story or a poem. So um, during this unit, we are going to be talking about how to analyze scenes. Now, similar to the first unit where we were kind of picking apart the pieces of literature and putting them back together based on a message, we're doing the same thing with a film. So for this particular unit, you are going to be choosing a film. That's right. You get to choose the film that you'd like to work with. It can be any genre. I've had students analyze many different films, from science fiction to horror to animated, as you can see with my background, my Nemo background. You'll also be able to kind of really dig into the different scenes. So once you choose your film, let's say you chose something like Finding Nemo, you can actually take a look at what the message is that you understand from it. Maybe something about family, maybe something about letting go, um, or there's maybe another message in there about learning about yourself. Whatever message you see, you can also talk about the type of film it is. So Finding Nemo is not only animated, but it's also a hero's journey film. So you'll see in this unit's lesson, I've listed some resources for you as far as how to analyze film. I've also made a couple videos for you where I'm analyzing some scenes. And I hope that all of that helps you when it comes time for you to choose a film and take a look at those scenes. Now, usually what I tell people is choose 2 to 3 pivotal scenes that really stand out for you in connection with that message or theme. If you want to talk about technical terms, it's a theme. Uh, you'll see through my recordings that I've taken a look at the film The Breakfast Club. I've also taken a look at the film Shrek. So it gives you an idea of the hero's journey and a message, as well as a social problem film and a message. So I try and put those ideas together with the 2 or 3 scenes that I choose, and then I can write about it. So I hope this helps to kind of get you excited about not only the unit, but film analysis, and writing about film. Ultimately, you're going to be writing your scene analysis in a polished essay. So again, like the first unit, during week 1, we will be investigating the different resources. We'll also have a Zoom meeting at a day and time that works for you guys, so that we can discuss the unit and go over questions. You'll have a discussion online where you post your thoughts about the film that you'd like to work with and the scenes. Then during the second week of the unit, you'll be working on that draft of the essay. And again, that's where you can use your resources like me. You can ask me questions, you can send me a draft of what you have or maybe an outline and ask if you're on the right track. I'm happy to help and give you some feedback. You can also use Smart Thinking or the Virtual Writing Center to get some help. I hope this kind of gives you a better idea of the unit and gets you excited about it. But remember, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, message me, call me, or set up a virtual meeting. Any way that I can help, I am here, and I hope you enjoy your film analysis. I'll see you later.